It says here, write the expression, the pth power of 10 using exponents. Well, when they say the pth power, p must be the exponent. When they say of 10, 10 must be the base. So you arrange that as 10 to the p. Okay, for number 2, evaluate negative 3 to the 6. Well, notice there's no parentheses here. So technically speaking, the 6 only applies to the digit 3. So you have a negative 1, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 factors of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Using a calculator or your brain, that turns out to be negative 729. There's only one negative, so the result is negative. Number 3, evaluate the expression. You have 18 divided by parentheses 6 minus 3 close parentheses squared minus 8. Order of operations asks us to do what's inside the parentheses first, so that becomes 3 squared, and then you copy everything else around it. Then you look for opportunities to do exponents next, so you have 18 divided by 9 minus 8. Then you must do division. Okay, do division before subtraction, and so 18 divided by 9 is 2, and then you subtract last and you get negative 6. Okay. For number 4, it says to evaluate 3x squared minus 2 divided by 5x when x equals 2. So every variable turns into an open pair of parentheses, as illustrated here. Then those open pair of parentheses become 2. And so you can simplify from the inside out, and that becomes the following. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. This becomes 10. 10 divided by itself is just 1. Okay. Number 5. Also, they ask you to evaluate. So every pair of parentheses replaces a variable. So we've got y, parentheses 3 minus 2 times x, all over x minus y. If x is negative 2, then a negative 2 goes here and here. If y is negative 1, that goes here and here. Making good use of parentheses, you'll get the problem correct. We have a negative 2 times negative 2, making it a positive 4. Hopefully we saw that. On the bottom we have a negative to negative, making it a positive 1. And so here this becomes 7. This becomes negative 1. A negative 1 divided by negative 1 is positive 1, resulting in just 7. And finally, number 6. You have 5 parentheses negative 3 p squared minus 2 close parentheses plus 2 parentheses p minus p squared, and the idea is to simplify the expression. You're going to clear parentheses by distributing what's on the outside and then combine like terms. This becomes negative 15p squared minus 10 plus 2p minus 2p squared. Find the highest degree term and collect all those first. So we have a negative 15p squared here and negative 2p squared here, giving you negative 17p. p squared. You have a 2p here, and you have a constant of negative 10 here. And so this is how you fully simplify that expression.